How to customize the new File Explorer home view in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to control what appears when File Explorer opens. First, open File Explorer on your computer. After that, click on the three dots menu at the top. From there, click on Options. At this point, on the General tab, click on the drop-down next to Open File Explorer 2. In the next step, select Home if you want it as your default landing view, or switch to This PC instead if you'd rather skip Home entirely. Following this, still on this same tab, look for checkboxes like Show Recently Used Files and Show Frequently Used Folders. Once done, uncheck either of these if you'd like a cleaner, less cluttered homepage. From here, click Apply, then OK to save your changes. At this stage, close and reopen File Explorer to see your customized home view reflected. Keep in mind, Home also pulls in recommended files from Office or OneDrive if you're signed into a Microsoft account, so unlinking that account reduces what appears here as well. Finally, revisit these same option settings anytime you want to adjust how your home view looks. And that's it. If this guide helped you customize the new File Explorer home view in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.